Brand new Realme devices are in the house. I got the Realme 8 and 8 Pro, and you probably noticed there's a few extras over here. So if you want your shot at winning one of these, make sure to hit that subscribe button real quick. All right, so Pro and non-Pro, targeting the value for money market, coming in around $200 and $250. What are we even talking about? Oh my goodness. And listen to the spec sheet. Okay, how about on a Pro model, 108 megapixel ultra quad camera, Samsung HM2 sensor. Oh, how about 50 watt super dart charging? That'll get you to 50% battery in 17 minutes. That battery, by the way, 4,500 milliamp hours. Inside the package here, you saw they gave you a case to kick it off. This color on the Pro model is called Infinite Blue. Check the gradient and check the texture. This is going to turn some heads for sure. I mean, it caught my attention. It had me gasping. I was like, whoa, that thing is bold. It says dare to leap on the side. There you see the camera module up top. You've got your buttons, and there's a headphone jack actually built in. The case exists to give you a little protection right out of the box if that's important to you. And this is that power brick, 50 watt super dart on a device targeted around 250 equivalent US dollars. Of course, there's a USB-C cable in there as well. Now, let's take our first glimpse at the standard 8 model non-Pro. Now, this one, what are they calling this color? Is this, I don't remember. It's like a mirror finish. It's like a silvery finish. This is a popular color. You're seeing this thing pop up on a lot of smartphones these days. And sort of as it reflects light, it has a rainbow kind of thing going on. Now, this one's a bit different. 64 megapixel camera, 30 watt dart charge, which is actually pretty good as well at the $200 price point. 26 minutes to get you to 50% charged, and that's a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. So they did this in the past where they take the actual more affordable model and then they put an even bigger battery in that one. So 5,000 milliamp hours on the Realme 8 compared to 4,500 on the Pro model. All right, so now you also saw the illuminating yellow color of the Pro model, and we're going to check out the black color for the non-Pro here. So that's 4 different options. You can also get black for the Pro model if you choose. Let's take a closer look. So there's no doubt these are flashy phones. As I said earlier, they are meant to turn heads. There is a youthful target here, which is obvious to me with these bold colors and this textured finish. And of course, the statement on the back. This has an in-display fingerprint sensor. As you can see here, it is quick. The Pro model features a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G, whereas the non-Pro is a MediaTek Helio G95. As far as the display is concerned, the Pro model 6.4-inch Super AMOLED full screen, they're calling. Of course, you have a hole punch up at the top, and it's a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED actually on the non-Pro model as well. Now, you gotta love it when you plug in a fast charger and you get to watch your battery go up in real time. This is a very rewarding experience.
The super dart. Keep an eye right there. It starts to charge. Super dart. And it's just, you watch it flow in real time, and it is so addictive.
All right, let's take a closer peek at the camera setup over here on the Pro model, 108 megapixel capable. And your module looks very similar. Of course, you can notice the difference if you read the heading. On the non-Pro, it says 64 megapixel instead. As far as camera versatility is concerned, we kick it off with the ultra wide, move up to the 1X. Here's a little bit of a zoom, 3X. Last up, 5X, moving you even closer, in this case, to the Taycan Turbo S. 108 megapixels if you need a boatload of pixels. That's an organic apple in my hand, by the way. You've also got macro built in if you want to get close. And there's got to be a night mode in 2021, so you have one in here as well. Now, if you want to take things to another level, you could trigger the RAW mode and go into essentially a pro set of settings. There's also bokeh built into video, not just photo, for that portrait effect. And of course, there's also video stabilization built in there too. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. The Realme 8 and 8 Pro. Some bold colors to choose from with a statement on the back, dare to leap. Remember, I got a couple extras. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.